Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever. In today's class, we are going to learn another tips related to while loop. Currently, we are learning loops and we have already covered for, while, nested loop, etc. There are two important rules we should remember when writing a while loop. Number one, when you're writing while true, the while true, or even when you're writing a condition here, when you say while, and we write a boolean condition here, this condition may use one or more variable, and these variables must be declared beforehand somewhere here, because in Java you have to declare the variable before you use it. Similarly, when you say while true and you use a variable inside, this variable x has to be declared beforehand, and this is a must, otherwise Java compiler is going to complain and say variable not found. Second part is the value of the variable used in the loop must be updated or altered within the loop. Suppose when you use a while loop and you put a condition here, if you don't update value of y somewhere here, what will happen is once the code goes inside the loop and value of y never changes, this condition may never become false. And if it doesn't become false, loop will continue infinitely. You want this condition to be false at some point of time so that it exits the loop and continues processing. So it is important in the while loop that you update the value of y in some way or other based on the problem statement, of course, so that this becomes false at some point of time. Keeping this in mind will avoid unnecessary, unintentional, infinite loops that will hang your system and you will have to either kill Java program or maybe restart your computer. That's all in today's class. I'll see you guys again in the next class and we'll learn some more tips. Thank you and please practice.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.